Desperate means feeling very worried or needing something very badly. A desperate person feels there is no other choice. In simple words, desperate equals in great need or serious trouble. Easy explanation. A person feels desperate when they are in a big problem, they are afraid or stressed, they need help urgently. Desperate situations make people act quickly. Very easy examples with explanation. He was desperate for help. She felt desperate before the exam. More simple example sentences. The man was desperate for food. I am desperate to pass the test. They made a desperate attempt to win. Daily life examples. A lost child feels desperate. People feel desperate in emergencies. Desperate times need quick action. Student sentence. I was desperate to finish my homework. Easy memory trick. Desperate equals need badly.